My name is Christopher Wylie. I'm a data scientist and I help set up Cambridge Analytica. No, I mean, we were solely focused on getting this data and doing this experiment.
How many profiles were you pulling?
Tens of millions, upwards of 50, 60 million profiles were collected in a 2 or 3 month period.
So this was Christopher Wylie, co-founder at Cambridge Analytica. So if you have not been in the news for a week or so, Cambridge Analytica is the firm which is responsible for data theft of 50 million users on Facebook. So today we are talking about data theft on Android and also over Facebook. Hello YouTube, this is Prateek here and you're watching Tech Trides. So let's get this done. So this claim was officially acknowledged by Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg.
So this was a major breach of trust, and I'm really sorry that this happened. We have a basic responsibility to protect people's data, and if we can't do that, then we don't deserve to have the opportunity to serve people.
So let me tell you how this entire data theft actually took place. So when you visit Facebook, you might see tons of apps and games. Apps like which celebrity do you look like and who is your life partner. So when you click on the app to generate results for you, what it would do initially is ask whether it could access your data and post on behalf of you on Facebook. And you just unknowingly say yes, and you don't realize that they will have access to your entire data on Facebook. This won't include your messages and stuff, but what posts you read, what news do you prefer to watch, what videos do you like, and all your profile info basically. So what these people would actually do, they would build an app or a game on Facebook prior to some major events like US presidential election, Indian elections, or some major decision or voting. So they would collect huge amount of Facebook user data like months before the actual event. So this was the firm that worked with Donald Trump during his presidential election, with Britain during the European Union exit, and they have allegedly worked with BJP during the 2015 Indian election. So you can imagine the impact of your data collected and where it is being used. So now coming to your mobile phone, I won't comment anything on Google, but someday you will realize that they actually know everything about you. So with all this pre-build-up, this video actually here is to tell you how you could make out that an app is actually stealing your data and how to prevent it. So whenever you download a new app from the Play Store, initially it asks you for certain permissions. For example, a File Explorer app may ask you permissions to the storage, while a camera app may ask you permission to the camera. For the apps which are already installed on your phone and running, you can head over to Settings, Apps, and then Permissions. Herein, you'll find all the permissions the app has. So if you find it useless for that app to use that particular service, you can just deny it. Further, you can head over to Advanced Permissions, and here you will see every little thing that the app tries to access. So if an app tries to access more than something what it has asked for, you can see all of that here. So here, if you find something fishy, you can directly uninstall the app. The government of India had previously mentioned a list of 32 apps or something which were trying to illegally access your data, and in turn were sending them to Chinese servers. I will have the link below to this article in the description, as well as to all the videos and articles I'm using here. Everything will be there in the description below. Lastly, this is how you find fishy apps. So this app over here is a File Explorer app, and the only permission it needs is to your storage. But when you go in Advanced Permission and see, it tries to access your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi connection, mobile network, hotspot, and everything, which is not good. So you need to stay away from such apps, and this is how you find apps which are trying to access data illegally. So I'll be doing a lot more videos on this topic because it's damn serious. It is serious. तू मेरे को हंसा रहा है. because it's damn serious and more people should know about this. So make sure you share this video with your friends so even they come to know what's going around. Like if you love the video and subscribe. It would really make my day. And till then, see you in the next video.